Invisible funnel mechanics focuses on creating automated sales funnels that work silently yet effectively. This method allows businesses to function seamlessly in the background while converting leads into loyal customers. By leveraging automation tools, you can nurture leads, convert prospects, and maximize return on investment without ongoing manual effort. This approach ensures a consistent sales process, freeing up time to focus on strategic growth initiatives. It minimizes human error and enhances the customer experience through personalized content and timely follow ups. The system can analyze data and make adjustments on the fly, improving the effectiveness of each funnel. Implementing these mechanics can significantly boost your business's efficiency. You will save time, reduce costs, and ultimately increase sales. Invisible funnel mechanics is a game changer for any business looking to thrive in today's competitive landscape. Harness AI for SEO by focusing on AI powered keyword research to uncover high intent, low competition keywords. This method allows you to discover the words and phrases your target audience is actively searching for. By understanding their search intent, you can tailor your content to meet their needs directly. Next, use AI for content gap analysis to identify topics your audience seeks but competitors lack. This ensures that you are not only filling in the gaps, but also providing unique value that sets your content apart. With the right tools, you can analyze existing content and pinpoint opportunities to create comprehensive and authoritative articles. Additionally, implementing AI-driven backlink analysis can enhance your strategy further. By identifying potential high-quality backlinks, you can enhance your site's authority and search ranking. This combined approach of keyword research, content gap analysis, and backlink strategy equips you to drive organic traffic effectively, solidifying your position as a content leader in your niche. Crafting a high-converting lead magnet starts with deeply understanding your audience's core challenges and aspirations. Once you identify a specific pain point that consistently drains their time, energy, or resources, design a lead magnet that provides a focused, actionable solution. Popular formats include concise ebooks, checklists, swipe files, templates, or short video tutorials, each offering a step-by-step framework readers can implement immediately. Structure the content around clear headings, practical examples, and guided exercises to facilitate quick wins and reinforce value. Next, optimize your landing page by writing a compelling headline that directly addresses the pain point and promises transformation. Pair it with a brief subheading that elaborates on what the resource delivers and highlight key takeaways in bullet points. Position a prominent call to action, such as download your free guide or get instant access, above the fold and repeat it after strategic sections of copy. Keep the sign-up form minimal, asking only for essential details like name and email to reduce friction and boost completion rates. Finally, incorporate social proof in the form of testimonials, case study snippets, or usage statistics to build credibility and trust. By aligning your content, design, and messaging around a singular audience need and an immediately actionable solution, you create a magnetic offer that drives consistent, high-quality conversions. ChatGPT said, automating the nurturing sequence is pivotal for turning initial interest into lasting loyalty. Start by building a series of pre-written email drips that deliver timely, relevant content, educational tips, product use cases, and customer success stories, so prospects feel supported at every stage. Sequence emails to progress logically, introduce pain points first, then showcase solutions, address objections, and finally present a clear call to action. Supplement this with chatbot integration on your website. Configure conversational flows that answer FAQs, qualify visitor intent, and capture contact details around the clock. Chatbots can hand off high-value leads to human agents when deeper engagement is needed, ensuring no opportunity slips through the cracks. To recapture non-converting visitors, deploy strategic retargeting ads across social and search platforms. Craft ad creative that echoes your email and chatbot messaging, reminding prospects of benefits they viewed and offering incentives like limited time discounts or exclusive resources. By combining automated email nurtures, always-on chatbots, and cohesive retargeting campaigns, you'll maintain consistent touchpoints, guide leads through the buyer journey, and maximize conversion rates without manual intervention. Begin by launching a simple automated digital product funnel using a quick start template that ensures clarity and speed. Implement a high-value lead capture element, an opt-in form or free resource to collect contact details and segment leads. Develop a nurturing email sequence that delivers relevant insights and showcases product benefits. Define clear conversion paths with targeted landing pages and concise calls to action, whether demo bookings, trial signups, or purchases. Use behavior-based triggers to move contacts between segments for personalized follow-up. Simplicity enables rapid deployment and data collection. Track open rates and conversions to identify improvements. Continuously refine headlines, timing, offers, and page design through A/B tests, adding dynamic content or retargeting to improve results. Review user behavior to refine optimizations and scale successful tactics.